Hi Sam. Welcome back to our vocabulary podcast. Today, we're exploring the word
Erklärung.
Hi Alex. That sounds interesting. What does
Erklärung.
mean?
Erklärung.
means explanation. It's the noun form of the verb,
Erklären.
which means to explain. The most common use of
Erklärung.
is in educational and formal contexts. Just be careful, it can be confused with the English word declaration, which has a different meaning.
Got it. So, how do I use
Erklärung.
in a sentence?
Sure. In German, we say,
Die Erklärung ist klar.
meaning the explanation is clear. The article is,
Die.
and the plural form is.
Die Erklärungen.
It's feminine, so you can remember it by thinking of things that are typically explained, like rules or instructions.
That's helpful. Can you tell me how to conjugate the verb?
Erklären.
Absolutely. In the present tense, you say,
Ich erkläre. Du erklärst.
and.
Sie es erklärt.
In the past tense, you would say,
Ich erklärte.
for the perfect, we use.
Hat erklärt.
So, you can say,
Ich habe die Situation erklärt.
which means I explained the situation. The imperative form is,
Erkläre.
which means explain.
Oh, I see. And what about its origin? Where does
Erklärung.
come from?
Great question.
Erklärung.
Comes from the Old High German word,
Erklären.
which means to make clear. Over time, it evolved through Middle High German into the form we use today. It's fascinating how language develops.
That is fascinating. Can you break the word down for me?
Sure. The word
Erklärung.
consists of the prefix, the root,
Klären.
and the suffix.
ung.
The prefix often indicates a process or result, while
Klären.
means to clarify or make clear. The suffix
ung.
is often used to form nouns that indicate an action or a process.
That makes sense. Are there similar words I should know?
Definitely. Let's group them. First, from the same prefix, we have
Erfinden.
To invent, and
erfahren,
to experience. Then, from the same suffix, theirs,
Bildung,
education, and
Entwicklung,
development. Lastly, similar compound patterns include
Verkündung,
proclamation, and
Ankündigung.
announcement.
That's a lot. How can I use
Erklärung.
in real life?
Good question. Imagine you're at work and need to explain a project. You might start with,
Ich gebe Ihnen eine Erklärung zu diesem Projekt.
or at a doctor's appointment, you could say,
Könnten Sie mir eine Erklärung zu meinen Symptomen geben?
Lastly, while traveling, you might ask,
Was ist die Erklärung für diese Regel?
Let me try that. For the doctor, I could say,
Ich brauche eine Erklärung zu meinen Symptomen.
perfect. That's great. Just remember to keep practicing.
how can I remember the gender of
Erklärung.
A helpful hint is that words ending in are usually feminine. You could visualize a clear light bulb over your head when you think of an explanation, as it represents understanding.
That's a nice image. Are there any common phrases or collocations with
Erklärung.
Yes. You might hear phrases like,
Eine klare Erklärung.
a clear explanation,
Eine schriftliche Erklärung.
a written explanation, or
Eine gute Erklärung.
a good explanation. It's more formal, especially in academic or business contexts.
I see. Are there any similar words I should watch out for?
Yes, watch out for
Deklaration.
and,
Behauptung.
which can sometimes confuse learners.
Deklaration.
Refers to a declaration, while
Behauptung.
means a statement or claim.
That's helpful. Could you give me some example sentences?
Certainly. Here are a few.
Die Erklärung war sehr detailliert.
Means the explanation was very detailed. Another one is,
Ich habe keine Erklärung für sein Verhalten.
which means I have no explanation for his behavior. Also,
Die Lehrerin gab eine gute Erklärung.
means the teacher gave a good explanation.
Those are great examples. Can you quiz me on what we've learned?
Sure. First question, what does
Erklärung.
mean?
It means explanation.
Correct. Second question, what is the plural of
Erklärung.
Is it
Die Erklärungen.
Yes, well done. Third question, what is the present tense form for
Ich.
Ich erkläre.
Exactly. Fourth question, what is the imperative form
Erkläre.
Right again. Last question, what is the gender of
Erklärung.
It's feminine.
Fantastic job, Sam. You've learned a lot today about
Erklärung.
Thanks, Alex. I really enjoyed our lesson.
Remember, an explanation can open doors to understanding. Keep practicing, and you'll master it in no time.
I will. See you next time.